Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your 11th Python tutorial video, and in this video we're going to be covering on how to give a default value to an argument. What are arguments though? If you recall, I mentioned arguments in the last video as well. And I told you guys that arguments are the conditions or the variables we put after the function definition and inside the brackets, remember? So we just do def and then the function name and then we put brackets. So arguments are the variables or the conditions we put inside that bracket. Now today we're going to be giving the argument, or we're going to put inside the bracket a specific value or a default value for a variable, or we're going to give it a specific string, we're going to give it a specific data. Like basically we're going to give it a specific data. So before we jump into today's lesson, let us recap what we learned last time. Last time we learned how to use the return value. So we made some functions, we learned how to store a function in a variable using the return value, and then we printed it out. So that's what we did last time. So now without further ado, let us move on to today's lesson. Let us first create a function. So let's define a function. Wait, go. What should we name our function? So let's say we want to create a function in which we input our age, in which the users input their age, and if it determines if you're a teen or if you are a child. So let us name the function age determine. Alright, so now let us assign a default value for the arguments like I told you guys before. So this is the main objective for this. So yeah, age determine. But wait, first let me create the screen, make the screen a bit bigger for you guys. So how do you do it? Oh, that's how you do it. So let's assign a default value. So let's give it a variable. Let's say age is unknown. So the default value for age is unknown. So now let's get down to the function part. So let's say if age is 14. And you might be wondering, wait, so on, wait. Why did you use is? Why did you use is? Don't worry, I'll get to that explanation right about now. So yeah, is a replacement for the equal to sign. It's much faster and it's much easier and it's much more understandable to use. So yeah, you can use is and as well as the equal to sign, so no problem. But you can use anyone. So yeah, there's just, I don't have a reason for you guys to use anyone. So if age is 14, age equals, if age is 14, you're obviously a teenager, because any number, if you have teen at the end, you're a teenager, right? So 14 is a teenager, and I am a teenager because I'm 14. Alright, so let's say Elif, age is 9. 9 is not a teenager, right? She's a child. So let's say age, go to bed, kid. Let's put emojis. Alright, so go to bed, kid. Okay, that's how you would say if the user is 9-year-old. Alright, so now we have firstly given the argument a default value. Then we have told the function that if age is 14, age is teen. 14 years old is a teenager. And if age is 9, go to bed, kid, because you're a kid. Get that, kid? Alright, so now let us print age. Alright, so now we're done with the function, so let us try using the function. So first I have to call on the function, which is a pain in the ears because my function is long. So let's say I'm 14. Let's say I'm 14. And let's first try running what result I get if I'm 14. So I'm a teenager, bro. You mess with me? I am a teenager, right? So you who are 9 years old right now, let's see what you get. You already know what you get because you know what you deserve. You deserve, do you know what you deserve? Before you refer, drum roll. You deserve to go to bed. You deserve to go to bed. Get that? Go to bed, kid. Alright, so now let's say you have no age. Let's say you're not even born, but you're still watching my videos. So let us keep the age one blank. So let's try running it. So if you're not even born and watching my video, you're unknown. Don't watch it. Just watch it after you have come out. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. Today we learned how to give a default value to an argument, and we also use the is thing instead of the equal to sign. And yeah, now we know that 9-year-old kids have to go to sleep, and that's pretty much about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, peace, people.